Welcome back to the Electricians channel. Today I want to talk to you about a circuit breaker finder that's one of the best I've ever used. This is my circuit breaker, my personal circuit breaker finder. It's made by the Ideal Company, Ideal Industries. The model number is 61-532. This is the receiver, analog receiver, and this is the transmitter. This is the circuit breaker finder, and this is one of the best circuit breaker finders I think is on the market. I've been having this for a number of years. I use it a lot, and it's never let me down. I bought some of the accessories that came with it. This is the alligator clips that if I'm working on bare wires out of the outlet and don't have wires that it may not have a receptacle connected to it, well, use it for this. Clip on to the hot and neutral. But keep in mind, this don't you have to use this. The circuit has to be a live circuit. It has to be a live circuit. This won't work on a dead circuit. So you clip this on a hot, this on a neutral, and it sends it sends a signal back to the circuit breaker, and it turns it on, and it'll stay on, and once you find a breaker, it shuts itself off like that. So you'll know which breaker it is that is connected to this circuit. This is one of the best tools, best circuit finders on the market. There are several. They're by other companies. I think Klein has them, Etchtech, Naturally Ideal. They have several on the market. I can't think the name escapes me as of right now, but and I've used a few of them before, but none of them has ever done what this one does. This is one, and I recommend this one highly. This is one of the best ones I've found, and it's always accurate, always accurate. Every time I use it, never let me down. It's well built. It's not the heaviest thing on the market. It's not the heaviest thing. And why should it be? It's just a circuit board in here with a transformer just sending signals to this. So, but let me just take if I can get this thing to work. It was working. There we go. Let me see how much it weighs. The receiver weighs 5.5 ounces. The transmitter weighs 2.3 ounces. Together with all accessories, what have you, it weighs 9.25 ounces, not even a pound. But anyway, and this is also to screw into fixtures, lighting fixtures, with the Edison type screw in there. So, and screw inside the bulb. And keep in mind, again, I tell you, it has to be a live circuit. Screw inside the bulb. This would light up right here, and it will send signals to. And you go to the circuit breaker with this. Turn it on. You do it twice. You go down. You start over from the same top of that same row of circuit breakers, and you go down slowly. And once it finds the circuit breaker that's sending that signal, to me that this signal is going to shut itself off. And you best believe that is a circuit breaker. I'm telling you, this one has never let me down since I've been using it. So with that being said, I just wanted to give a quick review. I hope this review was helpful to somebody who was watching it. You guys who was watching it, or may be in need of a circuit breaker finder. As an electrician, I find this tool to be very important. Not just as important as my multimeter or my clamp meter, but important. because when you're working on certain circuits and you need to shut the power off, you have to locate the right breaker without turning breakers off one at a time. And this would help you with that. So with that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe, do so. In fact, don't forget to subscribe, and so you'll start receiving notifications of the rest of my videos that I have coming up in the future. So I want to thank you. You guys remain safe. Peace out.